Hi, my name is Tanya Hackett, and I wanted to give you information today on how to get into the nursing program. I wanted to start by going into what it takes to get into the nursing program, whether you go on community or a four-year college. The first one that I will have experience in is telling you for both experiences, community college as well as the four-year. The first thing is when you go to a community college, most community colleges call what they have an open door policy. That open door policy allows you to come in and take an assessment test, and it allows you to get tested on the strong points of reading, English, math, and a personality lifestyle builder test. And it's basically a learning style. How do you learn? Are you auditory? Are you a tactical? Are you a kinesiatic or a visual? Or do you just need to be able to read or write a situation? And all of these types of learning styles helps the professor know what type of students that they are teaching. So they can go into the presentation that they want to make their topics very valuable. So, in my experience in doing community college, learning how to do the nursing program was to go into their testing style and take their required classes. Once you go into past that, the the nursing program has a different application. So once the application is completed, they will assess your application and choose you whether your strengths are variable for the program, whether you have a high GPA or you took an assessment exam to challenge the GPA system. Some schools go by the point system, and others, once you have a TEAS test, what allows you to get tested, scrutinized by English, math, reading, and science. This program allows you to see if you're eligible to take rigorous courses of nursing. Four-year colleges, usually you can go through the program and you end up choosing your major. And once you choose your major in your junior year, then you will be able to get into the program that you choose to go into as far as nursing. You go through the different specialties of nursing, such as mental health, community-based nursing, adult health nursing, and many other in maternity. And there's many other courses that you could take as well. Once you succeed, you have to understand that you have to have a B average in every class. Some community colleges just say 70 is fine, but you want to strive for a B because when you do arrive to a four-year college, you want to make sure that you're on that level and not on the C level because you cannot get a C in a degree program. And that's something that I think most colleges need to implement now. Once you get this information and once you apply to it, it will make sure you'll have a good understanding of who your advisor is and that you will create a rapport with them. And once you do this and get into nursing program, find good people that want to study with you and support you in all that you're doing. And once you do that, you'll have a good, solid background in nursing. Have a good day.